Day 2, and today is the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique day. We've got Maeve an appointment in about 15 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and get checked in and get her over there and get her a little princess makeover.
Today
We want the grand package.
which one will it be? We do have the castle, the one that comes with a princess dress, hair, makeup, and nails.
So, Princess, should we have a look at all our dresses?
Look at all the dresses.
Now, do you know all your princesses? Should we go through each princess and you can tell me who they are? So, who's this one? Cinderella. And who's this one? Yes. And do you know who this one is?
She swims in the sea. Ariel.
Ariel.
Them all? Look at them all again.
Which one's your favorite?
This one.
That one's your favorite?
Oh,
that one's beautiful.
Yeah.
Agora.
Okay, so that'll be the castle package. Now we can go back. Okay, look at you. We're going to take you to the royal chamber. And someone can go in there and help you. Okay. There you go, Queen. Alright, you see. What do we think? Are we saying yes to the dress? Yeah, you like it? Alright, if you follow me.
Look at you. You look so
Come
pretty.
on to the throne. Can you come up to your fairy throne? Ready, quick picture? Good job. Okay, and now, Princess, I'm going to put on this really cool cake to keep you nice and safe. Should I put it in your hair instead? Do you have blue hair? Okay, good choice. So I'm just going to clip this right here. Where are your hands, Princess? Have you lost them already? Have you lost your hands? Where are they? There they are! Okay, so, what's that on your hand? What's that? A tattoo. Wow, you're brave getting a tattoo. They hit. Now, we always need to remember that makeup is only for special occasions, okay? So, we don't want to wear it to preschool or school. Only for when we're dressing up really, really nice and going to balls. Keep those closed. Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo! Look at you, Princess! How cool do you look? Do you like it? Yeah, and I'll show you your hair from the back. Look at your brand new blue hair. Look at that. And you can go and take some lovely pictures by our castle, and I'll go and get you a one with some more magic in it. Yeah? Okay, do you want to jump down? Ready? Can you jump down? Yay! What's that? It's your backpack.
Look, you look beautiful. You feel beautiful.
Yeah.
You look so beautiful.
Just press it quite hard.
There you
Yay!
go.
There we go.
Alright.
And it lights up, look!
What do you think, Maeve?
I like it.
You like it?
Yes! Look, Daddy, ready? Mommy? Mommy?
You want to take off the flash?
Turn around. Turn all the way around. Well, it's been a bit of a rainy day on our second day, but the Sanderson sisters just came out. It's Minnie, Clarabelle, and Daisy dressed up like the Sanderson sisters for Halloween, which is really cool. So we're gonna get in line and go meet them, and then hang out on the ship for a little bit. Ready to meet the Sanderson sisters?
Are you ready?
Yeah?
So just by not with you? Is it only for kids?
Yeah. Let's go. Hi. You all look so great. It's good to see you. Thank you. Let's have a little picture. Thank you. How was that, Maeve? Was that fun? So much fun? Yeah? This is pretty neat too. It's just like a little bit of memorabilia or like design, concept designs and stuff like that for the ship. So 1 to 400 wooden model. It's really cool. Commemorative ship's bell and the keel coin. Oh, and a scale mock-up of the Rapunzel that's on the back of the ship. Really neat. I'm gonna go on that side. So use the handle like this. Twist the handle to hit the ball. Can you do it? Use the handles for the red guys. New to the Disney Wish is the Uncharted Adventure, which is a game that you can play through the Disney Cruise mobile app on your phone. So you have to look into the skies to find constellations. Those lead you to quests on the ship. And so now we're gonna try to go find our first one and see what it's about. See what this Uncharted Adventure is like. I've got to go to the deck 4 starboard side, outside of the Neverland Cinema, to find our first adventure. So we're headed over there now. All right, so we'll mark that we're all here. We are where we need to be. Okay, so now we've got to take our spyglass and point it at the screen there. It's transforming for us. All right, so what do we need to do? Oh, you're fine. Okay, so let's see if we can do it. Oh, there's a spotlight. Okay, it's a little bit hard to see on... I see. Okay, now we got it. All right, so now we've got it. There we go. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, now what are we doing? Okay, so we got that one. Okay, so now it looks like we just got to go to the next... Yeah, okay, so it's back to the regular board. Cool. So we got that quest, and we got a little reward there. And we're on to the next one. We'll maybe get that one a little bit later. This mosaic is so beautiful here. Let's go take a look at Joyful Sweets, which is the additional charge sweet shop they have here, based on Inside Out. Hello. Well, they have special Halloween ones. Might have to get one of those. Macarons, cupcakes. Get Anger over here yelling at the memory balls. has just been raining all day out here on the pool deck. There's people getting some cover, watching the movies that are out here, but nobody really enjoying the pool or anything too much. Just a wet and rainy day. Before dinner tonight, we decided to come to the Kegging Compass Bar. It's like a old kind of old sailors feeling bar. They've always got one of those on every cruise ship, and this is the one on the Disney Wish. It's really cool in here. It's got kind of the old like gold and wood feeling, you know. Very old world. I love it. So we'll take a look at the drink menu and see what kind of specialties they have. There's also some like bar food here. So they got chicken tenders, potato puffs, pretzel, coconut shrimp, some good looking stuff. We got our cocktails. This is the old-fashioned glog. And we've got the skull sangria.
Have you had any?
No, I haven't. This is my first one, so cheers. It's good. It's strong. Very aromatic, but very good. But yeah, really, really strong. How's yours?
It's good, yeah.
Yeah? Good.
Welcome, man. What's the table number?
We have a nice table by the window. Yeah, wonderful.
You want to come sit back here?
Hello. Good to see you back.
Thank you. Good to be back. We're hungry tonight. Oh, we get to watch the ocean and everything. Look at this.
I am so hungry.
For the appetizers here at 1923, I got the seared ahi, and then I also got the burrata. So we'll give these a try here. That ahi is outstanding. It is so good. The flavor is excellent. That sauce that's on there is really, really good. I don't know if this burrata is going to top it, but we'll try this also. Really, really solid on the burrata also. Off to a great start. And of course for dinner I had to get the filet mignon with the peppercorn sauce, and I'm sure that like everything else this is going to be fantastic. Very tender, well seasoned. That peppercorn sauce is really mild. It's all really, really good on top of that steak. Yeah, excellent. And the food here so far has been the best part of the ship by far. It's been amazing. Really, really good. Every restaurant, every dish, they're really nailing it.
Guava gel, lychee yogurt. That does not sound good.
For dessert, all of the desserts look too good to pass up, so I had to kind of get one of everything. But we'll go into the almond cake with the what was it, guava gel and lychee yogurt. We'll get a little bit of that, everything on there, and try that. It's guava, it can't be bad. I love guava. Everything guava is going to be good, right? Let's try this apple cheesecake here. So it's kind of got the apple tart on the bottom, and then like a kind of like a caramel covered cheesecake on top. Do a little bite of that too. That's really, really rich. The apple tart is good. The cheesecake is rich but still light and fluffy. Excellent. And now, of course, the signature, the classic churros with caramel. We got a birthday going on behind us. Really good, fresh churros. I didn't expect the churros to be as good as they are. I know they're having to pump a lot of them out here, but they are really good, really fresh, and really crispy, which is excellent. Of the three, I gotta hand it to the almond cake with the guava on there. Anything guava is gonna win. It's always gonna win.
things too. So what do you say? Are we all dressed up and ready to do the Mouse-querade dance? Right! Because here we go!
Disney Wish, give it up for Minnie Mouse and Chip and Dale. Let's hear it for Goofy and Pluto. And never forgetting Donald and Daisy. Are we ready? Here we go. Yeah, looking good, everyone. Moves tonight. Okay, Disney Wish, give a cheer for Chip. And give a cheer for Dale. You need to drag your feet. Drag your feet. You need to nod your head. You need to nod your head. You need to lean back. You need to lean back. Slip through the cracks. Slip through.
Okay, so we made it from the Mouse-querade party on the pool deck down to the theater for the Little Mermaid show. I'm ready for it. Are you ready for it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I love live.
We didn't get to see the one last night, if there even was one last night, I don't know. But I'm looking forward to this one. Should be good. Disney always puts on great shows. Production value is always top notch. So yeah, really interested to see what they do with this one.
Look how that a mermaid be waiting for you in mysterious fathoms below. Come on! Now, you're here because you have a thing that is human. This prince fellow. Oh yes, but it isn't just that. I love everything about the human world.
While we were sitting there waiting for the Little Mermaid show to start, the captain came over the PA and announced that because of Hurricane Ian, the port might not be able to accept us on time, and so they've extended our cruise by 1, maybe 2 days, and we'll find out in the coming days. So a little bit of unexpected news there. The good news is, hey, we got maybe two free days on the Disney Wish, brand new beautiful ship. The downside is we had plans to go to the parks with family that are here with us on the Wish. So, you know, good and bad. We'll see how it pans out, but as of right now, we're kind of in this limbo due to Hurricane Ian. So, and tomorrow's Castaway Cay, we'll be there bringing you all of the updates from there, and really excited to go there. So, we'll see you in the morning.